Hello everyone, myself Vishal sir. Today we are going to see our part 3 video of acid, base and salts. In part first we seen introduction of acid, bases, salts as well as we seen about the indicators. Okay. In part second we seen acids. There are two types of acids, organic acids and inorganic acids. Inorganic acids are those acids which are obtained from minerals of the earth, and these inorganic acids also known as mineral acids, and these are dangerous to handle than the organic acids. Okay, organic acids are those acids which obtained from plants and animal materials known as organic acids. Example we seen that is lactic acid, malic acid, uric acid, citric acid. These are the example for the inorganic acids and organic acids. After that we seen about concentrated acid, no water present in the solution or very small amount of water present in the solution, that is known as concentrated, and diluted means large amount of water present in the solution. After that we seen the physical properties of acids. There are two types of properties. First property is physical property and second property is chemical property. So in the physical property of acids we seen taste of acid. We know that taste of acid is sour in taste. After that we seen the physical state of acids. Acids are present in two states, that is solid states and liquid state. Example of solid state is oxalic acid and boric acid, and example of liquid state of acid is acetic acid, formic acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. These are the examples. After that we seen the effect of temperature on, effect of indicator on acids. First we seen that about litmus paper. We know that blue litmus paper changes into red color, therefore we can identify, yes, this is what, acid. Okay, in the presence of methyl orange it gives pink color, and in the case of phenolphthalein it colorless in acidic medium. After that, fourth property, physical property we seen about the acid, that is electrical conductivity, and we know that acid solution conduct electricity. These parts we seen in the previous session. Okay, in the part first and second. Now today we are going to deal about chemical properties. Before that we seen the physical properties of acids. Now we are going to see chemical properties of acids. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first property, whenever the acids are reacting with metal, what happens we will see first. So reaction of acid with metal, reaction of acid with metals, general reaction in front of, I wrote in front of you, so see it. Whenever metal reacting with acid, it gives metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Keep in your mind, this is general reaction. Whenever metal reacts with acid, it gives metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Now we will see some examples. Now first example, see the first example, we have zinc reacting with hydrochloric acid, it gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. According to the general reaction, you see it, metal reacting with acid, here metal is zinc, acid is hydro hydrochloric acid, and it is giving metal salt. Metal salt is zinc chloride, and it gives what? Hydrogen gas, H2. Okay. Now second example, we will change the, we will reacting same metal with the another acid. We having what? In the second example, zinc metal reacting with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and it is giving zinc sulfate, ZnSO4 plus H2 gas. So metal is zinc, acid is H2SO4, metal salt is ZnSO4, and releasing what? H2 gas, that is hydrogen, evolution of hydrogen gas. Now we are having third example. We change the, now we change metal. Okay. In third example, magnesium reacting with hydrochloric acid, and it is giving magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. So metal is magnesium, acid is hydrochloric acid, and metal salt is magnesium chloride. And same, we know that in the general reaction, whenever the metals are reacting with acids, they are giving evolution of hydrogen gas. Keep in your mind, whenever the metals reacting with acids, always they are going to evolve hydrogen gas. Okay, my dear student, I have one question. So you have to answer this question via mail to me. Okay, so the question is, why carbonic acid, why carbonic acid, that is H2CO3, does not react with metals? Please answer on my mail. I am waiting for your answer. Okay, my dear students. Now we will see another example. Iron react with hydrochloric acid, it gives ferric chloride and hydrogen gas. Now in every reaction, hydrogen gas is evolved. Now we will try to know that how this hydrogen gas evolved and how we can identify it. So try to see that this experiment, we will see the experiment. So let's start experiment.
To prove that when acids react with metals, hydrogen gas is evolved. For doing this experiment, we need some materials such as iron stand, test tube, delivery tube, one-hole rubber cork, glass rubbed with soap water, zinc granules, and hydrochloric acid. First, we have to take about 10 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid in a test tube. Then add few zinc granules to it. Close the test tube with one-hole rubber cork containing delivery tube. Place another end of the delivery tube into the soap water. Observe here, gas-filled bubbles are formed in the soap solution. Observe once again carefully. Gas bubbles are evolved from the surface of zinc granules in the acid. This gas is captured as gas bubbles by using soap water. Now we are going to keep a burning spleen near gas bubbles. Observe carefully what will happen. gas explodes with pop sound. This indicates that the gas is hydrogen. Let us observe once again the test for hydrogen. Let us test the hydrogen gas in single bubble. If we repeat the above experiment by using any acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc., we get hydrogen gas. From the above activity, we can conclude that when acid reacts with metal, hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, children, study well, grow well, be a good citizen, and proud to be an Indian.
So, as you seen that the above experiment, I hope that you understood whenever the metal reacts with acid, it gives hydrogen gas and it giving pop sound. Okay, my dear student, I hope that you understood the all things related with the first reaction, that is first chemical property of acid react with metal. Keep in your mind, whenever metal reacting with acid, it gives metal salt plus hydrogen gas. And now only you seen that how to identify that hydrogen gas is going to evolve or not. Via pop sound we can identify it. Okay, I hope that you understood. Thank you and have a nice day.